Well, hello. This is an interesting little video. This is my new visitor of 2 days now. And this little gallant little guy fell all the way from somewhere up there. I don't know how he survived the fall, because apparently the business next to me had one that didn't make it. It's a long way, maybe 35 feet, 32, 35, somewhere in that range. Then I pull up to work and he's running around here, squawking his head off, come rescue me. And I did. And I've now had him for 2 days. He can walk around anywhere he wants out here. He's right here. He's been eating worms. He just had 6 crickets. Loves water. In fact, he likes this water. He likes it because he keeps coming back, because he has a choice, and he's made choices. When he was full of worms, eating them, he had his share, he turned his nose and went away. So he's had crickets and worms and waxworms, and he's just doing really incredible. He follows me all around he follows me in my shop up to about right here to that blue bucket, which is really nutty. I don't know what happened. It's not a matter of me taking up to the top of the nest. This is a pavement. This is asphalt. I don't have that option. Birds don't simply pick up baby birds by the nape of the neck and take them to their nest. It's kind of an interesting thing with birds that it's a loss, I guess. Marauders raid the nest and grab the little babies, and that's food for their babies. Hawks and bigger birds will rob the nest. Well, this guy deserves to live, don't he? He just dropped 35 feet. He parachuted in. I don't think so. He's totally fine. In fact, he prefers me to hold him and follows me around, and I swear he wants to be held. He's let me pet his head. Look at his little tufts on his head. I know, buddy, I know. So we've got some little rapport going on. Just today, a couple hours ago, 2-3 times he hopped up in the air about 8 inches, and he's really working those wings out. I think he's way ahead now because of our 2 days of the typical nest. In the air, he wouldn't have had the option. Oh, he's gonna fly. He's perching. In the air, he wouldn't have up above me 35 feet. He's not going to have any option to stray from the nest, or we're going to be where we're at now. I'm going to build him a little perch right here by that tub, so that he can, kind of like his diving board, I'll be able to just walk it up this wall, and he'll feel that he can jump off of that little platform onto the ground and do his thing. In other words, let's see what happens. This is kind of interesting. He's totally peaceful. He falls asleep in my lap, which, I mean, it's cool, little guy, but wow, it's really neat. Never done this. I've rescued many kittens and puppies from 2 days old on. In fact, I have a YouTube video with a lot of views, 250,000, on a little kitten rescue. But that's my first bird. Rescued some other creatures, lizards and things, rabbits, but it's my first bird, and we're getting along quite well. He likes the menu so far. I'm gonna wet some seeds, kind of look at them and see how hard they are. I have bird seed, which the adults are eating outside. Never knows. We'll see. Give him some seeds and maybe some cricket mush, you know. Yuck! Oh, it's a good thing I don't have to eat it. But hey, I'm going to give this little guy every chance he can. It'd be cool if he comes back. I know he's not a pet. I don't believe in taking him from the wild and domesticating him for my needs, selfish needs. He needs his community, and who knows? Maybe his mom knows he's here, as she can fly overhead.